NoMoreNoobie here. Welcome to the first weekly video in the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel with Me series, showing you every week another way to improve your YouTube channel to help us all gain more subscribers and achieve more views. So let me ask you a question. What have you done in the last week to improve your YouTube channel? Actually, what have you done in the last month to improve your YouTube channel? If the answer is nothing, then you're not alone. I haven't done anything in the last month either, and this is something where I need to improve. And if you haven't done anything either, then you need to focus on your channel as well. And the problem is that we all are so focused on making videos and content that we don't focus as much as we should do on improving our channel. So that's what this series is about, is how to improve our channel to make us more attractive to people who might want to subscribe and watch our videos. Okay, so how will the series work? Well, these videos are going to be on top of my Share Factory videos, so they're not going to change. They're going to come out once or twice a week as normal, and then this will be one video per week every Friday with a task or tasks to be completed, which need to be completed by the following Friday. So you have 1 week to complete each task, because the next Friday we're going to have a new task to complete. So that's what we're committing to, is to commit to each video, watching it through till the end and achieving the goal that's set in each video, because this is all going to improve our channel, and we know that every week we are going to be focusing on improving. So definitely worthwhile, and will help improve the channel to help get more subscribers and more views, hopefully. Okay, so then you just repeat that process every week when a new video comes out, nice and easy. How will I present the videos? Well, you know that I'm committed to using Share Factory. I could quite easily download a PC software and do the videos from that, but I want to show that we can use Share Factory, and I don't want it to be all singing, all dancing. I want it to be clear and precise and nice and easy to follow, and it makes sense. I want to show that Share Factory can work in various different ways, and I think this is going to be the best way. So I'm going to use Share Factory. If after a few videos it looks like I can't get my point across, then I'll review it from there, but my intention is to completely use PS4 and Share Factory to complete the videos. Okay, and just really quickly, if you get any value from this video by the time you get to the end, please do hit the like button. It'd be absolutely awesome to get to 100 likes if we can. If we can make that happen, that will be great. So next question might be is, how did this video series come about? Well, I've been getting lots of comments from subscribers saying, how have you managed to grow so quickly? How have you managed to get from 100 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in less than 4 months? And it's not that easy to answer it in comments, so I thought if I can add any kind of value to yourselves and improve your channels, then let's do it. And because I want to grow this channel so much, I know that I've got lots of things that I want to do and improve, and I've got a long list of channel improvement ideas that I want to do. I just thought, look, why don't I, rather than trying to do it in comments, why don't I share the videos with you as and when I'm making a change and an improvement? Why don't I make a video about it, and then you can come along and try and just copy what I'm doing, and hopefully it will be of use to you and you can grow with me. So that's why it's kind of a grow your YouTube channel series with me. Okay, so the other question you might be asking is, why are you doing this when you've only got 1,000 subscribers? There's so many people out there that are so much better. They've got so many more subscribers and they've been doing it a lot longer. They got lots of experience, and that's a really good question to ask. The simple answer is that I don't have all the answers, and I'm not an expert, and I haven't been doing this for years and know exactly what I'm on about, but I have watched hours and hours of how to improve your YouTube channel videos and tutorials by the experts, and I've learned a lot, and I've implemented a lot of the things that I've learned to increase my subscriber count to 1,000 in recent months. So not saying I'm an expert, but what I'm going to do is have a real clear plan that I've already set out of how I'm going to improve my YouTube channel, and I want to share that plan with you week by week, so that as I'm doing the changes to my channel, you have the opportunity to do it to yours as well. And it might be that you've already done some of the things that I show in each video. It's a perfect chance for you to review whether it's still working, whether it's exactly as it should be, and I'll be doing the same if I already have done it for my video as well, because I'm going to show you what I've done, but I'm also going to be showing you what I'm doing to improve my channel. So it's going to be really beneficial for anyone who wants to gain subscribers and views. So let's get into it now. Because I had to explain the series and what it's all about, we have a little bit less time, so we're going to jump into lots of new topics as from next week. But we're going to show you 5 basics, 5 important things that we must get right on our channel from the very start. And these are 5 things that you must do. Some of you will do them already, but if not, please make sure you do start doing it. And let's look at all 5 and make sure you're doing all 5 from here on. Okay, so the first one is to look after your community. Your viewers and community are very important, and without your viewers, you don't have a channel. So you need to look after them. And by that, I mean reply to all your comments. If someone takes the time to comment on your video, make sure you respond and reply back. Answer any questions you receive. If someone's asking you a question, try and be helpful and reply. People will appreciate it, and it may encourage them to come back to your channel again. Okay, get viewers involved in your channel by asking questions or considering what they want to see on your channel in the future. Okay, feedback is really important, and viewers will tell you what they like and what they don't like. Okay, if you like your viewers' content, then give some support back by watching their videos and giving positive comments on their videos. This is not only support for them, but also builds a relationship which helps build a community, and a community is really important on your channel. Okay, tip number 2. Don't have spelling mistakes on your titles or your thumbnails. Now, this should be don't have spelling mistakes on your channel, but I know I have some areas of poor grammar and some spelling mistakes on my comments and different things, which I do need to correct and spend more time thinking about. But the most important thing is not to have spelling mistakes on your thumbnails and your titles, because the YouTube algorithm looks at what is on your title and thumbnails. So if you've got a spelling mistake, the amount of times I've seen spelling mistakes for Fortnite and it's spelled completely wrong. Now imagine you're trying to search for Fortnite and on your channel it's spelt wrong. How people aren't going to find it if you spelt it as Fortnite or something, so it's really important to get spelling mistakes are correct. Okay, number 3, don't do sub for sub. Not only is it against YouTube terms and conditions, and YouTube can delete your channel for it, it also can damage your channel and work against you in your video analytics and watch time. It's better to build a smaller community who will support you than a larger community who never watch your videos. So don't do sub for sub. Okay, tip number 4, try to learn from other YouTubers. So I bet you probably watch a decent amount of YouTube yourself. So try, when you're watching the next videos, try to look at it from a creator's point of view. So try to watch other YouTubers and work out what they did right in their videos. So were they clear? Were they funny? Were they entertaining? And also what they did wrong. Was it clickbait, or did they have an intro that was too long, or did it take ages for them to get to the point? Also, try to think about if you left a video before it ended, work out why you left the video early, as the creator may have done something wrong or said something which may have made you wanted to leave early. So try and work out what they did wrong. Maybe they swore, or maybe they gave you all the information really on in the video so you didn't need to watch the rest. So try and learn from what other creators are doing right and doing wrong. It's amazing how much, when you look at it from a creator's point of view, how much you can learn from other people. Tip number 5, watch your video before uploading it. Now this is a really important one. I've seen so many videos where there is a blatant mistake which could have easily been corrected if the creator had just watched it all the way through before uploading it. Things like having the volume too high or too low, or spelling mistakes like I mentioned before, or other people talking in the background, or having far too many boring bits in the video. This is one thing particularly that I really get irritated with, is when there's lots of boring things. So Fortnite, for an example, if your video contains hours and hours of you just running around the map chopping down trees, nobody wants to watch that. I turn off videos really quickly if I'm watching somebody just running across the map. So try to edit your videos so that they are of interest. There's always got something happening, and that is a really important tip to finish up on. So do watch your videos and make sure you've got rid of any mistakes, anything that people will find boring, and it's better to have a concise and smaller, shorter video than a longer one that's drawn out that people click off too quickly. So that's 5 basics that you must get right from now on if you wasn't already. So we will be covering so many other topics in this series that are going to help you grow your channel. So make sure you commit to every week watching and learning from each of the topics that we are going to cover. And we're going to be including things like channel branding and video improvement and different ways to encourage subscribers, keyword research, learning from your YouTube analytics, linking social media, and all sorts of other things. So lots of great tips and tricks coming up every week from now on. So if you found any use of this, please do drop a like, and I am hoping to get to 100 likes pretty quickly on this video if we can make that happen. I'm going to put the playlist in the description because we're going to be adding to the playlist on this. So if you're not joined this at the beginning when I first upload it, then do check out the playlist and follow along from there. So I hope you found this useful. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and I hope you've got value from this, and thanks for watching.